Hey my friends, and welcome back. Are you ready for a gluten-free dessert today? I actually have been in touch with an old high school friend, and he asked me if I could do a video that involved his favorite food, which is peanut butter. So it so happens I had some in the pantry, and I thought the perfect dessert would be a chocolate peanut butter trifle. So if you are familiar with a trifle or not familiar, it is layer upon layer upon layer of goodness. It looks very decadent, and if you walk into a family party or a big huge picnic, people are very excited to see this on the table. So let's jump right into the ingredients. There are about 4 to 5 layers that are going to go into a trifle. The basic layer is going to be a cake or a brownie or a cookie, could be ladyfingers. Today I'm going to use a brownie, and my two favorite mixes are Krusteaz and Trader Joe's. They're very rich, they're delicious, and very yummy. I made the Trader Joe's. I made it yesterday so that it could set. You can do that, make your base the night before, and so it's just ready for the next day. You're going to cut those brownies into bite-sized pieces. And these are going to make up the base of the trifle. The second layer can be a pudding or a cream cheese, maybe with a flavor added or whipped in. I'm going to use a 5.1 ounce Jell-O vanilla pudding, and we'll follow the directions by adding the 3 cups of milk. I'm also going to add in 2 cups of peanut butter to give the trifle that peanut butter flavor. Wow, that looks wonderful. And I had chunky peanut butter, which adds some peanuts in there as well. The third layer is going to be Cool Whip. There's always Cool Whip in a trifle dish. On hand, I had a fat-free Cool Whip, but you can use any type of Cool Whip you want. You could even make your own. The fourth layer is our topping, and that can be like a fruit or candy, maybe a sauce, it could be caramel, it could be a combination. Today we're going to use Reese's miniature peanut butter cups. I have 24 cups here, so we're going to unwrap them and then we're going to chop them up. So we have all of our layers here. We have the base, which is the brownies, and then we have our peanut butter pudding. Oh my gosh, doesn't that look rich? And then we have our whipped cream. We have the Reese's peanut butter cups, and I kind of got a little peanut butter naughty and decided to top the garnish of the Reese's peanut butter cups with some melted peanut butter to kind of add to this delicious dessert. So let's start assembling this. Okay, so the base is going to be the brownies, and we're going to put the brownies in for the first layer, like so. And you want to try and get them close to the glass so that that layer can be viewed by the people who want to eat this awesome looking decadent trifle. So we're getting pretty filled up there. There we go. All right, so we have our first layer, and then we're going to lay, oh my gosh, I'm sorry. This looks so good. I'm gonna have to try it. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. This peanut butter pudding is to die for. Look at this. So you're gonna put half of this in the trifle. Oh my gosh. This is so good. And get it out to the sides. This is our gooey, yummy layer. You can see the layering a little bit there. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I think I need another scoop. Okay, and then next is our Cool Whip. Third layer. And that's gonna go all the way out to the glass. I wanna be able to view it. Wonderful. Oh, that looks so good. Anything with whipped cream is good. So we're gonna spread that evenly all over. Looks good. Okay, can you see that? And then I'm going to drip peanut butter that's melted. Wow. Doesn't that look good? All right, and then we're on to our second layer. Remember, up to the glass so that people can see that there is yummy brownies in there. Here comes the drizzle. Wow. That looks so rich. Oh my goodness. That is amazing. Can you see all those layers? Wow. Perfect. So here's the chocolate peanut butter trifle, and it's been chilling for about 4 hours. And I think it's time for a taste test. So we're gonna dig into these layers. Oh my goodness. That looks amazing. Wow, look at that. Let's try it. This is yummalicious. I don't even know if that's a word. It's yummy and it's delicious. It's a new foodie word, yummalicious. You've got to try this. Enjoy.